Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, oopsie doopsie, look at this. We got a box full of bubble wrap here. We're gonna unbox what's inside this thing. But let me tell you one thing. This phone I've been wanting since it came out. Alright, I've been wanting it since and I finally got one. So let's unbox it. Boom. Yes, my friend, this is the HTC One. Look at that. The box is gonna beat up as you can see. So yeah, this is the phone that I've been wanting. I don't know why. I've been wanting an HTC One since it came out, and I finally got one at a decent price, included with everything in the box, including with the charger and the headphones the seller said. So we'll see if they're actually inside here. But yeah, I never held an HTC phone in my entire life, and nobody at my school back in the days even used an HTC phone. They all use iPhones, Galaxy devices, I think Xiaomi and some Sony's. But nobody gives some love on HTC, especially this HTC One, alright? So, let's unbox this phone. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, look at that. The HTC One. This is the first time I see this phone with my own eyes. So let's see, gonna pull this phone up. See here. Ooh. Wow. Wow, this is small. Let's just see here. Ooh. Dang, bro. This feels good. Now, if you are Indonesian, you already know what the text means. It says that the camera on this phone has the purplish tint issue, but I think the seller already includes another camera, so all I have to do is take it to a repair shop and do it. But maybe we'll see in the future. But damn, this phone is compact. I thought it's gonna be a little bigger. Oh yeah, that's why they have the HTC One Max. It feels good. It feels good. Look at that. On top you get the power button, the IR blaster, and all that. Wow, amazing. Wow, it's really good, man. Okay, let's just go inside here. So here you go. This is the seller included another camera, so it's ready to be installed. Okay, we got the SIM ejection tool. Look at that, the HTC logo right there. Warranty information, safety and regulatory tips. Let's see what's inside here. We have HTC, making the most out of your new HTC One. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is the accessories that we can get, guys. We can get a hard shell case. Oh, look at that. A double dip flip battery bar. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. HTC Media Link HD. Oh, sorry. And we can also get their stereo headphones. I don't think these are Beats Audio branded. This is just HTC branded, I think. Bluetooth stereo headphones. Look at that. We have to have a special dongle for the Bluetooth stereo clip. And this is what, oh, you can send music to your phone, to your car stereo wirelessly. Oh, that's pretty cool. Card kit. Oh, we got a phone stand. Damn. What is this? Congratulations and thank you for purchasing your new HTC phone. We prepared a couple of short videos to get you started. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. If you guys like to skip this, just skip this. I mean, I would like to read some of these, alright? And user agreements. We got the warranty card, and this is the Indonesian warranty card. Look at that. Quick start guide. And yeah, I thought we were gonna be including the headphones, but well, including the charger. Look at that. HTC mirror charger and HTC branded. Oh, no branded. Micro USB cable. Alright. As I said, yo, I don't know how much this camera will cost, but the fact that the seller gave me an extra camera just to install right away, that's pretty cool. Alright, so here's the phone. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna remove this little label here. Of course, we're gonna sanitize the phone first. Alright, let's just turn the phone on in 3, 2, 1. Now, the weird thing is this phone power button is on the top left side. You can see right there. The screen looks alright. Of course, this is not an AMOLED display, so there's no shadow or burn-in, which is good. Ooh. From that jingle boot up sound, I can tell that speaker is working very good, man. The people said that, you know, back in 2013 that this phone speakers are amazing, so that's what I wanted to find out. So let's see here. Ooh, I think this is running a newer version of Sense, I think, because with the newer HTC One I make wallpaper. We'll see here what kind of Sense version this is running. Purpose software information. Yeah, Sense 6.0. So this is, or I think it's already running the latest version, and I think this is not a good version that this phone should be running. Oh, we cannot do the thing. Okay, how do you go to multitasking? Double tap? Or double tap the home button. Oh, we already have a lot of things open. Oh, I already can see right there on the camera how the purple tint. Let's just check it out. Oh, wow, holy, that is terrible, man. So we definitely need to change that camera because everything, literally everything is purple. Look at that. Wow, man. So yeah, I definitely need to replace that camera, but since it already come with it, I have to find a people that trusted enough to to repair it, and that's it. Let's go and check Wi-Fi here. Oh, let's go to Wi-Fi. You know, I really like the phone overall because it's so compact. Let me compare it to an S4 real quick here. Alright, so here I got the 2014 competitor, the Samsung Galaxy S4, and as you can see, let me lock it. Okay, from the size, you can see it's kind of about the same size as the Galaxy S4. So you can see right there, it's about the same size, but I think the S4 screens are bigger, I don't know, but you can see the better build quality with the all aluminum or metal build on the HTC One versus this plasticky removable back cover build on the Galaxy S4 here, which looks a little, of course, cheaper, and with the single speaker versus the dual stereo speaker, which we're gonna check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, the long-awaited downgrade video is here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the downgrade yet another iPhone. Wow, the audio is amazing. I have to tell you that the audio is amazing, and it's much better than my 12 Pro. In fact, I have the video that I'm recording right now, and you can see when I try to play a video, when I try to play something here. I know, but listen to me first. Turn this video, and then you can see the little Beats Audio logo there. That I don't know what is that. I think that's just amplifying the sound, but it does sound good. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty good deal, you know, especially if I already got the camera as a replacement. So all I have to do is take this phone apart and take it to a repair shop. But I don't know, this phone is easy enough to repair or no, you know, because you can see, I mean, we don't see any screws and all that, so we don't know if the camera replacement is easy or not. God dang, a broken elevator. Well, here we are at the mall. I'm gonna try to get this HTC fixed, the camera. Oh boy, look at that, bunch of phones. All right, let's get this baby fixed. You know, for what can sell these space, you can see right there. It's a lot of fake iPhone boxes here. Ooh. Whoa, look at this. DF. That's where we're going. Where is it? I have no idea. So yeah, almost after 2 hours, guys. 2 hours of trying to open up the aluminum back of the M7. We finally did it, man. It was a tedious process, and after that, the back cover is completely destroyed. I mean, look at this is what my condition is right now. Scratched up, and there's like a piece missing in there, which is very sad. But I think I'm gonna change the color anyway to a blue one. So let me know in the comments. Will it gonna be a good one? I mean, this is how it looks like. I think it will look like that. So hopefully that's gonna be good. And since this guy also repaired older HTC phones back in the day, he says that the policy of HTC once they repair these HTC One devices, because you know they're really strong on the back cover, they immediately replace it. No matter what they've done, like replacing the screen or whatever, their policy is to replace the back cover. So because if you reuse it like I did, it will not gonna be looking as great as it used to be. It will get destroyed, you know, for not fit so good and all that. So that's interesting what their policy is. Alright guys, it's the next day, and as you can see from this footage, the camera is finally fixed. Look at that, no more purple tint. Let's take a picture here to smell that 4 ultra pixel camera. I mean, yeah, it looks kind of meh, but it's special with its own, right? What can I say? It's a long time to get done, because like the back cover on this thing has never been opened, of course, since it's literally kind of brand new, because as you may see for the unboxing video. And since the back cover is so hard to open, we do got some damage here. As you can see, we got a ding there, we got a piece of it, actually not a ding. And we got a crack here, which is pretty bad. And now the volume buttons are kind of hard to push. You need to have a nail to push it down. But don't worry, I already kind of talked with the guy yesterday, and I probably gotta change this to the blue HTC One. Yes. So yes, that's enough for the video of the unboxing of the HTC One M7. So yeah, that's enough for the video, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.